Hello, thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create 25 unique videos or graphics or whatever content you need on social media so that you can post out and you have this content available already because you generated it literally like on autopilot. That's what we're going to teach you today. I'm going to share with you 3 free tools, okay, that includes AI tools, but a free image editing, graphic editing, a tool that allows you to create video content, whatever you need. And some of you are probably already using this stuff, but you just didn't know that it could do this. So I'm basically bulk generating content, really good quality content that I can just have available and post out when I need to. Because at the end of the day, we lead busy lives and we need to be able to get good content out there. So just check out what I was able to, generate. So yeah, but as you can see, they're all unique, all right? And you can repurpose them. You can put them out on social media and different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it. You can repurpose it. And I probably mentioned, 5 platforms. So if you've got 25 bits of content here, you can repurpose it to go out on 5 different platforms. You could have over 100 plus bits of content that go out there that gets you exposure. All right. So we're going to use, I'm going to run through this quite quickly. So we've got Canva open here and you can search for templates like morning motivational posts or whatever. And you can pick something like maybe this, for example, just any old template. You can click customize. It's a free tool. Okay. You can get on the links below, grab yourself an account with Canva. And you need ChatGPT. So what I did was I make 25 motivational quotes for online marketers to create focus on morning creators or focus on morning posts. So it went ahead and actually created 25 generated quotes. All right. And then I went over to Google Doc, which is also free. If you don't know Google Doc, you can search for it. It's a Google platform. And I put it in here. All right. Pasted it in. I actually created another row here just so that I can title it and make it easier for me. And then you download, all right? So you download into CSV format, okay? And that'll be on your desktop. So let's just show you and then download that comma separated file. So that'll be in there. And then you go over to Canva, all right? And then what you do is, you make sure that your template's how you want it. You can upload, for example, add in a logo, put the logo wherever you want. Okay, it's all drag and drop. I think I'll not bother with that. But, make sure if it's animated or whatever. If you put your branding in there. So the whole purpose is that you need to make sure that your post is the way you want it, because this is the original default base post. So I'm going to make things shorter because I think, ChatGPT's actually created quite long quotes. You could actually say to ChatGPT to create quotes no more than, each quote could be sort of, for example, 10 words max or whatever. So then you go to, Canva, you go on the left-hand side here, you go to apps, and then you go to bulk create, and then you upload the CSV file, which you downloaded. Okay, and then that adds that in there. Now you've got your data file in Canva, and you go to your canvas. You with your mouse, you right click and you connect the data. Okay, and then you select the quotes. Okay, now you can select. Obviously within Google Docs, you could create multiple columns. You could have your branding, you could have a link. You could have all kinds of things going in there. So you could actually set it so it collects data. Like you could have a random title. You could have random, footer or whatever. So, but in this case, I'm just gonna keep it simple, all right? So that we get the quote coming in in this space here. I might just put maybe animation here, something like. Yeah. So you need to make sure that your everything is doing the way you want it, and it's all branded and all the colors and whatever. So this is your base post. Okay, and everything is going to be generated from here. So go back. So now you're still in the app. Okay, and then you need to continue. Okay, and it says, do you want to generate 25 posts? And you click yes, and it opens up into a new window, and you've created 25 unique posts. Okay, and they're all unique. Now what you can do is you can go through them, all right? So, you can, for example, you can click, hold on a minute, actually, go to here. So you can play, you can click play on each post and just sort of view them or whatever. So it's all got, the animation. You can do whatever you want. I mean, obviously the base post, you could, make sure that everything's animated correctly. You could speed it up or whatever. And then, what you can do is you can go to elements and you can put, for example, morning motivation. You can go to videos and then you can put like a video in the background. You can put whatever you want in the background as a motivational video, and you can just drag and drop, anything. So then that goes in there. Some things you can do is you can edit the video and you can adjust, okay, and make the brightness darker just so that everything stands out. No, it doesn't. Okay. You can go through and then, whatever, just put the videos in however you want it. Okay. Move on to the next one. Whatever video that you want to use. I'm just rushing through this, but in your case, obviously if I was to do this properly, I would put proper, content that I've chosen. And, once we're done, again, you can edit the videos. You can go to edit video and then you can go to brightness and you can make it darker so that this text in the foreground stands out. So once you've gone through that, then you can just click share and then click download. But this is important. You need to check this box here, okay? But this is actually a pro feature, so you need to bear that in mind. Download pages as separate files. And then when you click download, it'll all the individual videos that you've generated will download individually into a zip file, okay? And you can open up the zip, you can add them to a Google Doc, so it's online, available on all devices. And then if you're on your mobile phone, for example, and you need something to post on social media, you can just post it. It's all done. So 25 posts. It could be 30 posts. You can generate however many posts you want in advance. So if you want to create a whole month's worth of content or 6 months of content, it's up to you. You just get ChatGPT to generate the content. You put it into a Google Doc, which is free. Okay, I've chosen So that's, I've got 25 quotes, but I've got that, as a title there. And then you export it and download it as a CSV file, okay? And then you create, in the app, you create, add it into the app, which is bulk create. And then you click to generate the 25 designs. And then you can alter your posts and then click download, okay? And then you're ready to post all your content. Anyway, hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching, and get on the link below. You can grab the Canva, and you've got access to the ChatGPT and also Google Docs, obviously. So probably apps that a lot of people are already using, but you just perhaps didn't know how, that it was possible to do this. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.